guys, QUEENIFICATION1 back at you again with yet another video. Happy Friday, you guys. Okay, so today's video is going to be kind of a continuation of last week's video. Last week's video, I was telling you guys about some of the products that I use on my natural hair to like get the curl to kind of define it a little bit, get a couple things that would define my natural curl and everything like that. So I told you guys in last week's video that I was going to do another video on like some of the shampoos, conditioners, and things like that that I use. I have quite a few here, but there are many more that I use. I would say that the products that I use aren't necessarily generally for just natural hair. I use products for, you know, me color treating my hair, and I also use products to keep like moisture in my hair and to make sure my hair is as healthy as possible. So I just kind of wanted to share some of those things with you. Now, these products might not be products that you would generally see geared towards like natural hair girls like myself or natural hair girls like you, but these are products that I just, you know, I seem to gravitate towards and I like. And I generally buy like the really large bottles because I tend to use a lot more conditioner than shampoo because I do a lot of co-washes and things like that. For the most part, I co-wash my hair. Like I said, I co-wash my hair a lot more than I ever actually shampoo and then condition my hair, if that makes any sense to you guys. But yeah, that's what I do. So I generally get like really big bottles or containers that are bigger because I tend to use more conditioner than shampoo. But a lot of the shampoos and conditioners I use come in sets. So if I buy the big conditioner, you know, the shampoo is just this big and I end up with a lot more shampoo left over than conditioner. Anyway, let's get on with the products. Okay, one of my absolute favorite products to use for my hair being color treated is this one. I found this one probably like last year sometime. I'm sure it's been out for a while, but I use this because I have red hair. You know, I color my hair red. I do not a lot, but I have of course bleached my hair out and then colored it red. So I use the Revlon Color Silk Brave Red, and this is a moisturizing shampoo. So this is it protects color and it provides shine. So I really do like this, and it's for all red shades. Well, that's what it says. But it says it's for all red shades. So I use this because of course I color my hair red. Now I didn't see a conditioner with that, so I never actually bought a specific conditioner for that product. But as far as like my hair being red and everything, this is one of my favorites. Like I said, I found it last year at Walmart, I think it was, and I actually liked it a lot better than what I was using, so I started using that. And that's not a really big bottle, but this is the biggest I could find of this one. Okay, something else I used for my hair being color treated, this was originally what I started using when I first started coloring my hair red. It's the Matrix Color Care Therapy Biolage Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner. So I actually have something on my lap as well, so I'm just going to put that down on the floor. But yeah, I use the shampoo and the conditioner. Now, I literally have like this much conditioner, but I have like this much shampoo. Like I have so much shampoo because like I said, I co-wash my hair a million times more than I shampoo it. So yeah, usually when I would say the more I use shampoo is like probably when I have like maybe build up in my hair from maybe gel or, you know, like my Eco Styler gel or like any number of products I might use. If I have a lot of product build up, I want that good lather, if you guys know what I mean. Usually I use some sulfate shampoos. I want to say that sulfate free shampoos as well for my natural hair, but those tend not to lather because the chemical that makes shampoo lather is usually attributed to the sulfate. That's at least what I've read. You can correct me in the comment section below if you know more about it, but just from what I've gathered and from what I've read, that usually tends to make it lather a little bit more. And me, I just kind of prefer it to lather up. So I do use just regular shampoos most of the time. Not a lot of sulfate frees, but I do use a few. Again, like I said, I like to have moisture in my hair, and I like to make sure my hair is hydrated because you guys know that a lot of the times in the colder months, if you do have like naturally curly hair and things like that, in the colder months, your hair tends to dry out a little bit. More often than it would in like the fall or something like that. So my hair dries out a little bit, and I kind of want to keep as much moisture in there as possible. So I do use a lot of shampoos that have like moisture building or just stuff that keeps the moisture in. So another shampoo that I use just to like keep the moisture in, it's by Sebastian, and it's called Drench. So let me show you guys. The shampoo comes in like a black container. I have like fingerprints and shampoo marks and all that stuff, but it's okay. You guys can still see the bottle. So it's called Sebastian Drench. I love this stuff. It really does what it says it does. And I use the conditioner. Now with these two, I try to use the shampoo and the conditioner because I know I'll probably end up with like a drop of this conditioner and a lot of the shampoo. So with the Drench hydrating type shampoos, I try and use those two products together, if that makes sense. Okay, so I use that. This one, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. I should have wiped it off, but it has a lot of shampoo caked up on it. But I use the shampoo and conditioner by Tea Tree. It's the Tea Tree Special Shampoo Invigorating Cleanser and the Tea Tree Special Conditioner Invigorating Conditioner. So I tend to use these two. They have like a minty type smell to them, and it really makes your hair feel clean. So I tend to use those a lot. I love these bottles because they have the little pumps. I don't know, for some reason I love that. Like in the shower, it's just easier to just pump the shampoo or the conditioner and put it in my hair as opposed to having to pick up a huge bottle, dump it over, and all that stuff. So I do like the pumps with those bottles. Another color safe shampoo I use is by Sexy Hair, and it's Healthy Sexy Hair, and it's color prolonging and repairing conditioner. This, I believe I have a shampoo to this, but I have so many shampoos, you guys, that I had to start getting like you know those bins, like those bins you use to put like winter clothes away when it's summertime or summer clothes away. So I have those, and I have so many shampoos that I had to start getting those because I had to put them somewhere. Like my dresser is only but so big that, you know, I can't fit them all. So I try and just leave out the ones that I use a lot. And another shampoo and conditioner that I use for like hydration and moisture is the Matrix. This one is actually a newer one. I had like 3 sets of these. They come in a little thing like this, and the shampoo isn't here, and then the conditioning balm is on the other side. But I have like 3 sets of these because I use them a lot. Obviously the conditioning balm I use a lot more, so I kind of run through those. But the shampoos, I probably, out of the 3 bottles, I probably have like, this one is a whole one, I have like another whole one, and then like one that's almost empty. Okay, and this I just got from like a salon, and it was like $20 for the set, so that's why I got a bunch of them. Anyway, this is the Matrix Biolage Hydrating Shampoo, Continuous Moisture for Dry, Stressed Hair. So I use this. And then the conditioning balm, if I can get it out of here. Oh my goodness, it's stuck. Okay. It's yeah, it's the Matrix Conditioning Balm. So I use that as well, and this is also like one of those moisture builders, or like keeps your hair moisturized. It just looks like regular conditioner, just slightly thinner. Not really, actually. It smells really, really good though. And I mean, it's just like regular conditioner. It's just they call it conditioning balm, and it comes in a little tub container thingy as opposed to like a bottle. But yeah, you guys, so for the most part, I mean, I do have other things I use, like I use Chanicum and silicone, what is that stuff called? It's called silicone something. I'll probably most likely do another video at another time, because like I told you guys, there are so many products that I use for my hair, but obviously not at all the same times. And, it just really depends on what I want at that time. And sometimes, to be honest, I will mix like one of my color safe shampoos with maybe one of my like hydrating shampoos. And I don't know, like it just makes sense in my head that it, you know, mixing the color safe with the hydrate in my hair will be moisturized, but my color won't be stripped. I don't know, it just makes sense in my head. It might not make sense to you guys, but it just, that's how it works in my head, so that's how I figure. So sometimes I will do that, but for the most part, like I said in the beginning like a million times, I tend to co-wash my hair a lot more than I shampoo it. And for the most part, like with these bigger bottles, they some places I've seen they sell it separate, but some places they sell them in the sets. So I'll get the shampoo and the conditioner. So I end up with a lot more shampoo because, like I said, I co-wash my hair a lot. Anyway, that is the entirety of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you had any questions about any other products that I may use, or if you guys might want to like help me out on telling me what curl pattern, or you know, what type of curl I have, please let me know in the comment section below. Just let me know what type of curl you guys think I have, because like I said, I never really paid attention. I just, you know, my curls are tight, but they're, I don't know, I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about natural hair, or what I do with my hair, or any other products that you guys have tried that you want to tell me about, you can definitely do that. I will see you guys in the very next video. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend. Yeah. Bye, you guys.